In this quick spotlight, a new release powered by the Aurora Engine showcases photorealistic rain-soaked streets and cinematic skylines. Graphics quality shines with ray-traced reflections, volumetric fog, and tactile textures, making every corner feel alive. The story unfolds through branching choices and character arcs that react in real time to player mood and pace. Player experience dazzles with fluid combat, an adaptive soundtrack, and a dynamic UI that respects your playstyle while staying focused on the adventure. If you crave innovation, this title proves tech and craftsmanship can fuse into an unforgettable journey.